Largest Apple store in South Korea coming soon. Largest in South Korea or the largest ever. Apple has announced that the largest Apple store in South Korea will be opening soon. Specifically, in the capital. The store will be located in the city's historical center of Jonggu. Let's see their announcement here. It's coming soon in the heart of Myeongdong, where people from all over the world continue to visit. They love to be in the tourist spot, like McDonald's or whatever. Like, there's the big Apple logo. Of course they're there because I'm visiting there because I'm a tourist. Through this store, we aim to provide a source of inspiration that is open to all, where imagination and creativity are constantly springing up. A place where you and us can communicate and inspire. They get really vague with it, don't they? A place where your life can be complete so long as you come here and buy things every day.
Inspire.
It's so close, isn't it? The language, it's so close. It's really not that far.
Yeah, it really isn't.
A place where you and us can continue to communicate and inspire each other. Please remember, we inspire each other.
Right.
Remember that. You inspire
You
us.
need me and I need you.
We inspire each other through sales. Every time you buy something, it inspires me to continue selling things to you.
Right.
Imagine that. I'm inspired. So yes, it is a historical area. There's historical buildings over there, traditional markets, upscale retail stores. And so then Apple will fit right in. I wonder if it's going to be a completely modern construction or if there will be some kind of connection to an older building. Is that it? Get out of here.
No.
That's a historical site.
That's
Jeez.
a temple.
Can you imagine? I think that would be very rude. Picture an Apple logo on top of that.
Yeah.
But sometimes they do that, like in London or
Right.
take your pick, where they would have the main floor of a relatively historical building. It would be a very good look, a cool look. I think there's an Apple store in Grand Central Station in New York too. Like, anyway, they've done these type of situations as well.